Hey Sleepover Party Business Besties, it's Carmen and I am back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and putting together my favorite teepees from Tinyland. So this particular teepee is an all white canvas teepee, and it is the teepee that I would start with if you are just starting your business. Why? Because it is all white and it will go with everything. Eventually, when you get more bookings, you can grow and start buying other teepees. So the first thing I am going to show you is the connectors, the white connectors that pretty much put the teepees together. So here I am holding them up. There are 4, and also in the bag is a string that you tie at the top. All right, one thing I want to emphasize is that teepee covers really aren't sold. I do know a person who does sell them. It's just what she does, like for her, business. She has a sleepover company and she sells covers. But for the most part, you just buy the teepee you want. So if you want a black and white teepee, you buy a black and white teepee. If you want the pink and white, you buy the pink and white. But I would start with the all white until you build. Now this comes with the teepee. I usually keep it and use it just, under my spa party tables or whatever. I use it like a rug sometimes. And here I am unwrapping the actual teepee. It is white, it is canvas, pretty heavy duty. It does hold a lot of wrinkles, so I'm just holding that up to show you guys. Next, we get out our teepee poles here, and each leg of the teepee is going to be just 2 holes and 1 connector. And here's a bag for the teepee. I never use the bag because it's really not big enough to put the whole thing in. I believe if you maybe break it down, it'll work. And here is my tape. You are going to need some tape to tape the connectors to the poles because they do get loose and they come out. And it also comes with a star light garland. I never use it. I just throw it away. I don't like it, but you could always use it and keep it. Now you're just going to see me put this together. I'm just kind of checking to see how loose it is. That one was pretty tight, but over time they get loose. So I just want to start off taping them because what happens is they get very loose and they start falling out. You'll be at the customer's house and your tents are just falling apart because they're not taped. And so what I've been doing in the past was just taking some time, me or one of my assistants, and we go through the teepees and we just tape them all. And all of them are not just 2 poles. Some of them are like maybe 5 of the wooden poles and then 4 connectors. So it can be a lot, but these are much easier. So I would definitely suggest making sure you get some tape and just tape them together. And I would definitely always use the white. I think that's Scotch tape. I can't even think of what type of tape that is, but I would definitely use white instead of the traditional silver. Is it masking tape? I can't even think of what tape it is. I'm so sorry. But it's that thick, heavy duty duct tape. Yes, it's duct tape. Use white duct tape so that if you get lace tents, it won't show through. So, yes. Really quick, I do just want to say thank you so much to you guys who have purchased my vendors list on Etsy. And if you haven't or don't know, I do have an Etsy store now. And the first product is a digital vendors list with the products that I like and I've used. Keep in mind, some of the stuff at this point has sold out, but that's maybe the mattress and stuff. But if you need any help with anything, if you've purchased it, let me know and I will find it and I will send you the link or just add it to the book. These teepees are in there, but if you don't want to get the list, I will still include the link for these tents. These are the best. You can always just buy tents yourself and try it out. So now that everything is done, I am putting the string. There's a hole on the tent and there's a hole in the pole. So all you do is just take your string and just stream it through every hole on the top of the tent there, tie it at the top, and then you are done. So here I am just showing you what the tent looks like. It looks pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's different.